In this video, I'll show you how to enable night light on Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If you love to enable the night light on your Windows 11, quickly click on the start bar, right? Click on the settings. Once the settings has opened up, you're going to click on this display, right? From this display, you're going to see the night light. Use warmer colors to help block the blue light, right? So if you click on this, you're going to automatically enable the night light here on your Windows 11, right? If you click on this, right, you can see the night light. So you can see how cool it looks, right? So you're going to be blocking the blue lights, like the blue lights. And I think, yeah, this is very cool, at least for our eyes, right? If you use your system well enough, I think this is going to be cool for you. You can turn it on, you can turn it off. If you found this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.